Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to create this summer makeup look using very affordable makeup products. So I've already cleansed my face and applied a lightweight moisturizer along with the sunscreen. So first I'm applying this Blue Heaven lip and cheek tint on my lips. This tint is very affordable and it stays all day. For the primer, I'm going in with this Mars primer. This primer blur out the pores and it creates a soft blurred base. So I'm focusing mainly on the T-zone because that's where I get the more oiliness. Next I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me BB cream. So in summer, instead of wearing a heavy foundation, go in with a skin tint or a BB cream. It's so lightweight, so comfortable, and just look how it's blending so easily into my skin. I'm really loving how it's giving me a skin-like finish. My skin looks even, natural and very glowy. For concealer, I'm using this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. This is one of the best concealer in the market, and that too in a very affordable price. It gives a medium coverage and blends so easily. I have used the concealer in a small amount because I don't want my under eye to look cakey. For blush, I'm using Inside Cosmetic lip and cheek tint. I must say this blush is very creamy and highly pigmented, and also you can see it's blending so easily. Matlab you don't need any brush or a sponge. Just with a finger you can blend it very easily. And if you feel कि blush बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, then just take a wet beauty blender and tap on your cheeks so that the blush look more natural and fresh. To set everything in place, I'm using this Mars Cosmetic compact powder. I really like this compact because it's very affordable and it set the base without making my skin look overly dry or a matte. For the eyebrows, I'm going in with Color Chemistry eyebrow pencil. Mostly I use the pencil one because they are very easy to apply. It gives a very defined look to your eyebrow without looking harsh. So after filling my eyebrows, I like to brush it as this gives a very natural look. So for eye makeup, I'm using this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. First I'm taking this pink shade and blending it all over my eyelid, and then I'm taking this shimmer shade and applying on the center of my eyelid. The eye makeup part is completely optional. If you want, you can just skip it. Instead, you can only apply a highlighter on the inner corner of your eyes. For eyeliner, I'm going in with the Lakme liquid eyeliner. It's a very great affordable eyeliner for everyday use because it's very easy to control. And this is how my eye makeup look with the eyeliner. Before applying the mascara, I like to curl my lashes with this eyelash curler. Just press it for 2 minutes and then just leave it. For mascara, I'm going in with this Swiss Beauty mascara. So if you want to give a soft volume to your lashes, then go in with this one. Next, I'm using this Sugar Cosmetic contour, highlight and blush palette. Using the contour one to define my nose and using a powder blush little bit on my nose and cheeks. Adding highlighter on the tip of my nose and on the bridge of my nose. For the lip combo, I'm going in with the Swiss Beauty lip liner. Next for lipstick, I'm using this lip and cheek tint from Blue Heaven. It gives a very beautiful natural tint. So yeah, this is the final look.